Today is 23rd June. It is designated as the International Widows Day in the world. Have we ever realized that what was the need to make a day as an International Widows Day? It is because not only in India we have seen the life becomes tough for a widow, but it is all over the globe. Not only the South Asians and Africans are facing this problem, but even the whites are facing this problem. In India, we have seen women praying for their husbands. We have seen them sacrificing their lives in the traditional times in the holy pyre when their husband left abroad. Though they wanted to do that or not, they had to do. Slowly and steadily, the Sati Pratha abolished in India, but still the hardships of a widow remain quite the same. Mr. Raj Lomba in 1997 started this International Widows Day to uplift the widows all across the world. He had lost his father when he was 10 years of age, and he saw what his mother had to face in India. In 1997, he started an NGO to work for the upliftment of widows all across the world. Approximately 70% of women all over the world have to face widowhood in their life, and actually this widowhood is an invisible calamity in itself. ये एक ऐसी प्रॉब्लम्स हम सब लोगों के आगे लेकर आता है जो कि किसी ने इमेजिन नहीं की होती. प्रॉब्लम्स like rapes, abuses, and the women are forbidden to give their inheritance rights. They are robbed of even their human rights, and they are socially excluded many times. Losing the spouse in itself is a very dreadful tragedy. और उसके साथ जो और प्रॉब्लम्स एक वुमेन के अराउंड एनगल्फ हो जाती हैं, वो उसके लिए लाइफ और भी ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट कर देती है. आई वॉज recently searching Google, and I typed the keyword like strong widows of the world, and I was just surfing the images, and when I saw the images, so I was stunned, because we all can understand that there are no distinct features in a woman which would make her look widow. Okay, there are no distinct features. It's just a matter of chance, and it's a matter of fortune that some women have to face this thing in life. But I want to tell you that the women I surfed across the Google in the images, I could see the smiling faces, I could see the beautiful faces, I could see the strong women in them, I could see their eyes shining. So this is what a woman has, the unconditional love in her, and after being a widow, that unconditional love never dies. In fact, I think it increases for the people around her, because she herself has faced a loss of her partner. The most common challenge all the widows across the globe are facing is to find a decent place to live in. Please don't let the women who have lost their partners lead a socially isolated life. Reach out to them. Sometimes we may find कि उनसे जाकर क्या बात करें, उनको क्या बोलें, उनके दिल को कैसे तसल्ली दें, वो हमारे अंदर चल रहा होता है, लेकिन उनके अंदर उससे बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहा होता है. अगर आपके अराउंड कोई भी ऐसा है तो प्लीज़ उसे जाकर कंफर्ट करिए और अपने ही तरीके से, जिस तरीके से उसका सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट भी हर्ट ना हो और आप हेल्प कर सकते हैं उस तरीके से ज़रूर हेल्प करिए. एंड समटाइम्स बीइंग मॉरली present for someone is the true gift for her. One more interesting thing I would like to tell you, that Vrindavan in India is known as the city of widows. Even the white women travel miles of kilometers to come and see what comfort they find in Vrindavan after being widow, because the challenges of a widow are so much all across the world that women run out of their places and find a place to live in. एक चैलेंज और जो सभी विडोज के लिए है वो ये है कि उन लोगों को ये पता ही नहीं होता कि गवर्नमेंट के क्या प्रोग्राम्स चल रहे हैं जिससे उन्हें बेनिफिट मिल सकता है, और उनके अंदर लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस होती है. और बहुत सारी लेडीज तो ऐसी होती हैं जिनके पास कोई आईडी कार्ड्स ही नहीं होते. सिंस दे कैन नॉट प्रोड्यूस देयर आईडी कार्ड्स, सो दे आर डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ देयर पेंशंस, देयर हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटीज, एंड वॉट एवर द फैसिलिटीज द गवर्नमेंट इज ऑफरिंग, दे live deprived from them because they cannot produce their ID cards. So we need to protect the rights of these women, and we must appeal our legislators to focus more on the women rights after being a widow, so that the life becomes a little bit easy for them, so that we could contribute in their help. And we must pledge to do a little bit for these pretty ladies out there who are not even allowed to be as social as they were before, who are not allowed to smile as they used to, who are not allowed to put a gloss on their lips, who are not allowed to just live the life as they wanted. So let's be there for them, and I would request you to please share this message so that someone gets a light from you.